Hindi ka OC, may standards ka lang. Gusto mo kasi linis na hindi lang panlabas pero yung umaabot hanggang loob. Kaya kailangan mo ng device na makakasabay sa standards mo. This is the Pearsmith M2 Light Spot Cleaner. Together with the fabric cleaning solution, this device gives you the power para masipsip yung naipong dumi, ihe, alikabok na na-stuck doon sa mga bagay na hindi usually madaling labhan. Tulad ng with up to 15,000 Pascal suction power, kitang-kita mo naman kung gaano kalakas humigop ng Pearsmith M2 Light Spot Cleaner. At lalo pang mapapabilis yung paglilinis mo dahil meron itong built-in machine-powered spray at fabric-safe bristle brush in the same head with the vacuum. Kaya you can do brushing, spraying, and suctioning in one go. At pagdating naman po sa pagbabanlaw, palitan nyo lang po ng malinis sa tubig yung nasa tangke, tapos gamitin nyo po yung fabric cleaner head at habang hinahagod nyo pa atras, sabayan nyo na po yung pagpindot sa water spray. Ganun lang po kabilis. And repeat as needed. Even with the 800 ml water tank at 500 ml waste tank, magaan pa din dalhin tong Pearsmith M2 Light Spot Cleaner thanks to its light, compact, and waterproof body na meron na pong kasamang 5-meter power cord at 1.2-meter flexible hose. Kung kinoconsider mo na bumili nitong Pearsmith M2 Light Spot Cleaner, here are a few things that will help you understand the product better. Screenshot nyo na lang. Kaya kung meron po yung toddler na nagpapati train or mga pets na hindi mo mapigilan umihi sa kama, sa sofa, or nangunguting lang po yung mga furniture mo at gusto mo lang ibalik yung dating linis niya, the Pearsmith M2 Light Spot Cleaner helps you take back control so every mess feels easier and cleaning feels more like therapy. Try it now and get yours dito sa Yellow Basket namin.